Good day, everyone. If your Photos apps is crashing whenever you try to open it or it's not working properly, you can repair it by few simple steps. So here, just do a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and then go to apps, which is right there. And here we have installed apps. We will click on that. And then look for the Photos apps. If you're unable to find it, then we're gonna search it. I'll type photo and it will find Photos, Microsoft Corporation. Now here next to Photos apps, we have this three dots and we will click on that. And then we will click on advanced options. And it says, let this app run in background, power optimized. So if you're a heavy user, then I would recommend to let this app run in the background always. So in this manner, it will use more resources and it will not crash. It will not get closed. And the next thing is you can try repairing, and this will start repairing your Photos apps. And then restart the computer, see if that works for you. And if it doesn't, then come back here and click on reset. Right, the app's data will be cleared if repair isn't working right. I mean, if after resetting it's not working, repairing is not working, then you can do the reset. And for most of us, this will fix the problem. And if you still have issues, then I would recommend to open a command prompt, which is cmd. In the search icon, type cmd, then run as administrator, say yes. And here I'll type sfc space / scan now. This is a very good Microsoft command which will scan and repair your computer if there is any corruption. All right, so you just need to hit the enter and this will begin the system scan. And once this is done, you need to restart the computer. And for most of us, this will fix the problem. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. And please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. And I'll be glad if you leave the comment. So let this scan happen and then you try to use your Photos app and let me know the magic. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.